Hi John, so this is the floor we're going to be replacing right here. It's pretty rough. This is linoleum. It is over just the floorboard. There is no underlayment, and I have started picking some of it up. It's not glued that hard, so I'm going to pick this all up myself. Sand down the areas of glue where it needs to be so there's a clean floor. So here's our first transition into the hardwood. You see there's quarter round all around, and then under the cabinets there's also the quarter round. It's kind of hard to see, but there is just quarter round all underneath. So stand in the middle of the kitchen, do 360. You got the oven, the fridge. You got a transition to carpet there right now, which is just the carpet tucked under. More quarter round dishwasher. There's a vent down there. It's already dirty, but more quarter round. And then now we're on the far side. So there's all the way back around there, 360. So that goes to the basement there. Existing transition piece. And then heading into the laundry room. So we've got a couple entryways. So if I look to the left, got a door there, again quarter round all the way around. Of course we'll clean this out. I'll have the washer and dryer moved out. End transition to another carpet there, just tucked under. Just a little closet type area here, again quarter round. And then what I passed right here on the left, so again, sorry, backing up, we got the laundry on the right, doors on each side, and then we got a bathroom right here. And pretty simple, 4-vent, quarter round, and a toilet, which I will take out beforehand. So I'm going to take out the toilet, I'm going to take out all the linoleum, but I'm not going to mess with the trim if I can help it. I think I can take the spot where I tried, I can take the linoleum out from under the trim, the quarter round, so I'm just going to leave that and let you do the quarter round. So if you would, give me a quote. If that helps you at all, maybe you told me 900, so if that lets you maybe sharpen that up a little bit, if it's closer to 900 or if it's going to be closer to something else, let me know. Thanks.